Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your GMC Sierra 2019 to 2022? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Instrument panel fuse box left side. The instrument panel left side fuse box in 2019 and 2020, GMC Sierra manages power distribution for interior features like lighting, infotainment, and power outlets. It also helps protect circuits for seat controls, climate systems, and various driver assist technologies. The instrument panel left side fuse box in 2021 and 2022 controls electrical supply to interior systems such as lighting, infotainment, and power outlets. It also safeguards circuits for features like seat adjustments, climate control, and safety systems. Instrument panel fuse box right side. The instrument panel right side fuse box in GMC Sierra 2019 and 2020 powers and protects circuits for functions like trailer controls, auxiliary power, and certain safety features. It also manages electrical supply to specific modules and convenience systems. The instrument panel right side fuse box in GMC Sierra 2021 manages power distribution for trailer systems, auxiliary circuits, and select safety features. It also protects modules related to convenience and towing functions. The instrument panel right side fuse box in GMC Sierra 2022 controls power for trailer-related functions, auxiliary outlets, and some advanced safety features. It also safeguards circuits for towing, comfort, and electronic control modules. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in 2019 and 2020, GMC Sierra distributes power to essential systems like the engine, transmission, cooling fans, and fuel systems. It also protects circuits for safety features, lighting, and electronic control modules. The engine compartment fuse box in GMC Sierra 2021 supplies and protects power for critical systems, including engine management, transmission, fuel delivery, and cooling. It also handles circuits for lighting, safety systems, and control modules. The engine compartment fuse box in GMC Sierra 2022 manages power distribution for vital components like the engine, transmission, cooling system, and fuel injection. It also safeguards circuits for lighting, safety features, and electronic control systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.